In this final part, we will assemble all the components of the vice assembly. We will bring together the base, fixed jaw, sliding jaw, handlebar, jaw screw, vice nut, and plate, ensuring they fit and function correctly. Once assembled, we will apply joints to stimulate movement and test how the vice operates for clamping objects securely. Now let's start. Invoke new design file from data panel. In vice assembly folder, I have saved all the components. Body, we will insert into current design. Accept the default setting, OK. Now the body becomes the fixed component by default. Next we will insert fixed jaw. Insert into current design. Change the position to here, OK. Invoke joint. We have to select the bottom circular edge. Select this edge as first snap point and the circular edge of the body as the second snap point. Now from motion, type is rigid. OK. Next we will insert nut. Insert nut into current design. OK. Take joint. Bring the pointer to here. Press Ctrl key and select the center point. And here the center point. OK. Now when flip, we will flip to this direction. OK. Now the nut is in the correct position. Now from assemble, we'll take duplicate with joints. Then select the nut. And here we'll select this edge as snap point. OK. Now the nut is duplicated with joint. Now we will insert vice nut. Insert into current design. Bring it here. OK. Take joint. Select this center as snap point. And to this edge, center as second snap point. In motion, type is rigid. OK. Isometric view. Sliding jaw. Insert into current design. Bring it here. OK. Invoke joint. We have to select this edge as first snap point and this edge as second snap point. In motion, type is slider. OK. Minimum, it is -50 and maximum and rest is 0. Now we'll play. OK. Yes. Next we have to insert jaw plate. Insert into current design. OK. Joint. Front side, select this circular edge as first snap point. And here select this as second snap point. Motion is type rigid. OK. Jaw screw, insert into current design. Okay. Bring it upside. Invoke joint. And select the circular edge as first snap point and here as second snap point. And motion is type revolute. Minimum, maximum and rest. Activate. Minimum we have to give minus 350 and maximum is minus 10. Okay, and rest is also minus 10. Now let's play. Yes. Next we will insert the last component, handlebar. Insert into current design. Can close this. Bring it here. Okay. Joint. We have to select this center point. Press Ctrl key and select the center point as first snap point. And bring the pointer to this edge. Press Ctrl key. Now you can select the center point. Motion. Type is rigid. Okay. Now we have inserted all the components and have given joints. Next we will animate. Animate joint relation. Okay. Now the slider is moving and Revolute is not. For that we have to give motion link. Select slider and Revolute. Okay. Yes. Now from Revolute, right click, take animate joint relation. Now you can see the vice functioning. Press escape key. Now from object visibility, joints, you can hide it. Okay. Now we have successfully assembled the vice, applied the necessary joints and provided motion to visualize its functionality. The simulation confirms that the design works as intended, allowing smooth jaw adjustment and a strong grip. This completes our vice assembly. Thank you.